Cruising on down to Cincinnati. Great time.
Oh, yeah.
Are we going to have similar conditions, Ryan?
I'd say through most of this week into the weekend, we're going to be nearly perfect, and that's why our attention is sort of looking to Florida with Hurricane Milton. This is going to be a serious situation going through this week, unfortunately coming off Helene. And here's the latest satellite imagery. The system is looking more and more impressive on satellite this morning as it's developing a pinhole eye. Do want to point out with this storm system, this is just a ruler estimate. It's only about 350 miles wide. If you remember just a few weeks ago when Helene was forming, tropical storm into a hurricane, it was nearly double the size of this storm system. So it is compact, maximum winds at 100 miles an hour, Category 2 storm. Because it's so compact in size, that's going to allow this system to strengthen pretty quickly here in the next 24 hours. Latest projection from the National Hurricane Center has this system strengthening into a Category 4 storm as we're waking up tomorrow morning. And then still a major hurricane making landfall on Florida's west coast, anywhere from the Big Bend to down through Fort Myers. Watching this system very closely with that landfall point. The cone of uncertainty only showing that landfall point late Wednesday into Wednesday night. So that means areas south of the landfall point, that will be where the worst storm surge is from this storm system. And overall, we've seen this morning now west coast of Florida added to hurricane watches, and the peak storm surge numbers first released from the National Hurricane Center could see up to 12 feet of surge stretching from north of Tampa down closer to Fort Myers. That will be changed dependent on where the system exactly tracks onshore. Back to us in Indianapolis, live look at the zoo camera, temperature at 51 degrees. Clear skies, winds out of the north-northwest 5 to 10 miles an hour. Our dew points in the comfortable category. It's nearly ideal. We do have some areas in the 40s. Storm tracker across the Midwest. This high pressure system is just going to protect us from the rain chances through this week. Did have a cold front pass through the area yesterday. That's well off to the east, not impacting our forecast anymore, but our temperatures are about 15 to 20 degrees cooler waking up this morning. Today, checking in around 70 degrees, sunny skies throughout the afternoon and evening hours. Average high is 70. I don't think everyone makes it to that mark, if not into the upper 60s, 68 in Muncie, 68 in Kokomo, and 69 in Bloomington. Now tonight in the low to mid 40s, wouldn't rule out an isolated spot in the 30s, but I don't think we'll see our first frost tonight. Tomorrow, temperatures in the lower 70s, only a few degrees warmer, plenty of sunshine through the afternoon and evening hours. And just marching ahead in Futurecast, while Florida deals with Milton, this high pressure system protects us. We are not expecting the remnants of Milton to make it to us in Indiana and the Midwest. The remnants, or what is left of Milton, continues off the Carolina coast. So this is not going to be like a tropical system we've seen multiple times this year where we get the remnants and the rainfall from the storm system. So quiet conditions will remain. Hensley Legal Group 7-day forecast, nothing but 70s on our board marching through this week. Overnight lows will consistently be in the 40s all the way through the end of the week. By Friday, 77 degrees, challenging 80 degrees for the weekend, but dry and partly cloudy on Sunday. Tara?
All right, thanks so much, Ryan.